Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto my channel, man. Hey, how I hope that everyone is good, man. I'm also good. Yes, I woke up. I'm actually supposed to be waking up at 5, 5:30 or 5:20, but however, today I woke up at 4:20, woke my sister up only to find out Duguti. I just realized now I'm busy looking outside. I'm like, why is it still dark? Only to find out good I woke up an hour earlier. But either way, I'm done with everything now. I just need to get dressed and go to work. So what I wanted to talk about is this. I did not catch the live, but if you did not know, Leroy and Mihlal have been dating. You know that whole drama, right? Yeah. So now, and then I don't know if that was the thing that made them break up, but the last time we heard about the both of them was when Mihlal had called Leroy 50,000 times, and then apparently, allegedly, she also went to his house and tried to hurt him with a knife. I said allegedly, and then that's when Leroy made Mihlal to be in contact with the wall, and then Leroy, he released a statement also saying Wuti no Mihlal vele is i-GBV, she uyashayana, like violence, and then another thing, and she's also kuma substance chasing and stuff like that. However, Mihlal never really came out with anything except that le video ayenza ku-YouTube wakhe, of which it did not really say anything, nor did she even defend herself. If I'm not mistaken, she did not even defend herself from the allegations that were made by Leroy. But however, now, let me see if I can find this video, check this out, and then we'll talk afterwards.
It was so funny. It was so funny. Imagine having a double adept. Or after 9 weeks, you will pick up a substance thing with her time. Since you wanna be PT on social media. Since we want to be petty on social media, we gotta be asking Mr. After 9 what substances I'm on. That's all I'm saying. Oops. I took a bit. I'm going there. Nobody can stop me. I'm on my way. I'm going there. Anyways, now that I've caused a little bit of chaos, let me quickly log off and go to my dinner. Goodbye and good night.
Okay, as you've just seen, those two videos, I only managed to get hold of only just Lauma clips amancane. However, let's talk about this. So she's only kind of like not really responding from those two videos. As I said, I didn't get the full video and stuff like that, but either way, we're just going to talk based on those videos. You know what I've noticed is that if a woman wants to hurt, crush a man, it's either they're going to say what Mihlal is saying that Leroy is an twin plug or a double adapter, or what's this, okayish, or something like that, or they'll say into yakhe incane, or they'll say into yakhe ayivuki, because those are I feel like those are the only things that you can say about a man that could kind of tarnish his image or crush his spirit. even if it is true, I feel like those are the only things one could, or there could be other things, but just these things. You understand? Do I believe Guti this guy is Vele an after nine? If you do not know what the after nine is a man who dates women during the day, and then once it's dark or behind closed doors, he'll be with man of the same sex. You understand? So that's what Mihlal is apparently saying. Uguti Uliroy is an after nine. I think she's doing this in as in society retaliation or yini yokuthi naye azama ukuthi angcolise igama la Leroy, because Leroy came out saying all those things about her. Now she also kind of like feels like she should also do the same thing. Do I believe Uti after nine? No, I don't. And even if let's say he was, what does that say about you? What does that say about, and the thing that makes me say, Guti, what does this say about Mihlale is the fact, Guti, yes, there are women who date men who date other men. There are women like that. Because angikhona nento futhi ukuthi uba uthi wena you are bisexual, meaning ukuthi you're interested in both guys and girls, of male and females. Kukhona lokho. I'm sure this is not the first time us hearing that. But however, even if, why am I saying ukuthi bakhona abantu besifazane who do that and do not have a problem with that, and also, and not having a problem with that, I'm losing my train of thought. Ayikho inkinga kulokho. You understand? Ayikho inkinga kulokho because ama-relationships are dynamic. Umuntu uyayikhethela into ayifunayo, whatever works for you, it'll work for you, and uthanda umthandayo and whatever. But now I feel like it becomes a problem when you start using that as a dig. When you start using that to attack him. So this means, Guti, when you did not only just go after a married man, not were you only using substances, and you were also violent, and you broke up. We won't really say a happy home because we do not know, because there was they kept on saying no, they were already busy with the divorce. Even with that show where she was on, we show make sure saying they were already getting divorced and stuff like that. Yeah, but you just could not hold yourself. Now, to add on the list, you also dated a guy who now you feel like it's in a way a disgrace, because umuntu will call you names, and more especially in the manner that she did, in the name of disgracing you or trying to crush you, or izamkuhlambalaza. So you mean you when a wonke lo, and on top of that udate umuntu owazi ukuthi futhi udate nabantu besilisa. Now ekhanda lami lingenza ngicabanga ukuthi out of all these things, what made you think ukuthi kuweke? Because there were also other rumors that came out saying ukuthi Leroy was seen with who and who, Dubai and wherever, allegedly, and yeah. What made you think when ukuthi ke umfazi wakhe is beautiful? Ungazi it was because she's still alive. She's beautiful. Or ex-wife yakhe allegedly. She's very beautiful. And I think even with, because there was a video of Uliroy and Mary Jane where they were recently Leroy and stuff like that. But I don't know if they were going or they were coming from somewhere. I do not know. I think that video too also must have made Ulentuzana angry a bit, to a point of which she might have been like, hasn't I think we're pants for now. ngobe downstairs, and then ngizobuya. To avoid lento ukuthi kuze kube ngathi she's jealous ukuthi Leroy and Mary Jane were seen together, or might be working things out. You understand? So nina nisithanda shem. Yeah, what made you think ukuthi wena uzoba special, when you are going to be different, when we miracle, when we blessing in disguise? Like, what made her think that? Guys, we must. Yes, Steve Harvey once said that something along the lines of what a man will own. You can never change a man, but however, a man will change for the right one. The thing is this with this, I feel like, okay, fine, that could be that, but any depending problem, Guti, are you willing to also be in that queue to go and see, or put yourself, or allow to be tested, Guti, are you the right one or not? Because I feel like you going there doesn't guarantee Guti when you be the right one. You can do all the right things that you're supposed to do as a wife or a girlfriend, and he still does not change. Are you also willing to put your heart on the line and everything that you love so much on the line in order for you to go and find out, are you that one and now? What made Mihlal think Uguti she's special? Or is it because of the fame? Leroy does strike me as a person who likes clout. He does. Ukuvela kuma-live abo Mihlal, ukulentuzana, all those things nje. Let me see if I found there are any videos. Check this out. Where he's kind of like clouds. Check this out.
Leroy shows himself on Mihlali's live video on Instagram.
It's blowing my phone. I'm a baby! Not you being in my life. Okay, my angel. You can pour me one, baby.
No.
I want a clean glass too. I'm tired of this one. There's a clean one in the ice bucket.
No, it's dirty.
No, it's not. Then I'm gonna buy a yako.
I don't drink champagne.
Yeah, I know you don't. So let's just let it dry for a bit.
Abantu basebenza nini?
Abantu basebenza nini? Hayibo, you wanna see him Fontoni? Yeah, ke sana. Angisazithanda indaba. Indoda iyafihla kaloku, my dears. Ayivezi. Indoda ayivezi, my angels.
Hamba nokomuthi. Okay. Thank you. Okay, baba kazinhle uthini?
Are you facing that? Do you think you're smart, man?
It's sorry. Wait. No, it is now.
Why are you going to the house first?
I'm fetching Kanye's.
Uthini? Yapiphethe mntana wakho. Ufuna uhambe uyi-one?
I'm so refused.
How do I do it? Like, please, how do I turn it around? How do I turn it around? Please, how do I turn it around? Wait, man, let's be serious about this.
My man.
How do I turn it around? But when I would argue, when it's happy pet mtana. It's happy pet mtana ako.
I've already said happy birthday to her.
Amchelang. Mchele. Mchele. It's enough.
So yeah, as we've just seen with just those two videos, yeah. One of those videos is the one I spoke about Uguji. It was the one that was recent of him being seen with his estranged wife, Mary Jane. So yeah, she's going down sad or going out sad, NJ. I do not want to lie to you. The best thing that she's supposed to be doing here to also even avoid even looking bad or she's just supposed to be staying away from anything that has to do with Leroy and not even mention him or his name. Yeah, manje ubukeka bitter, jealous, nje. You know? Do I feel sorry for? Let's not even talk about that. Let's not even talk about Log. Yeah, because you know exactly how I feel already. I did state that on my other video. So either way, yeah, man. Yeah, just to wrap this up, if you do decide to date a guy who's bisexual and it's cool with you, it's cool with you. It's fine. You understand? But however, do not ukuthi masusu heartbroken noma masekugilile and then you go out being like, yeah, wena kuqala nje, wena unje, as if ubungazi. And umuntu yazi mina ngibuka yena lo sisichama la lona yakhula. Umuntu umthole nje, wena wasebenza kanjani, what decide ukuthi no, I think ngijole naye. Or you discover, because I feel like even if my I'm told whatever the case might be, or numerous times, you still decided to stay. You still decided to stay. Do I feel like Leroy is the one who broke up with Mihlal? I think so. I think so. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this whole thing and enjoy the rest of your day.